Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is perilous. It is pronounced per-il-us, and it is spelt P-E-R-I-L-O-U-S. Think peril, and then the suffix O-U-S. Perilous means dangerous and risky, full of danger. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is hazardous or perilous. For example, you could say, the climb was perilous, with steep drops and loose rocks. Or, she found herself in a perilous situation when the boat capsized. The word perilous comes from the Latin word periculum, which means danger. It was originally used to describe a situation or task that was risky or hazardous. Its meaning remains exactly the same today. In the film The Lion King, young Prince Simba goes through a perilous and dangerous journey to regain his rightful place as king and save his kingdom from danger. Can you think of any other perilous situations in films or TV shows that you've watched recently? Synonyms for perilous are dangerous, risky, hazardous, and treacherous. Antonyms for perilous include safe and secure. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, perilous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.